So I got my slave right here, taking off taking off this side.
What?
I got Clayton over here taking off this side. As I said, we want to do one side off camera just so that when we start recording on the other side, we kind of already know what's going on, because the rears were a freaking pain. But my oh my, what a wonderful day. Oh, my hand can't stop shaking. But there you go. This video is not going to drop till after Toyota Fest, guys, so I don't want to reveal the car just yet, but the rear just looks amazing. Just big brake kit, BC coilovers, 57 DRs. Oh my god, this is not gonna be my daily for sure, and I say it is. It's not. There's no way. What are you struggling about?
I might have to cut that one. This one.
Why, did you already strip it?
It's already stripped. Or maybe if I...
Strip.
Oh,
Wow!
there,
He got it!
There you go.
Wow! Using his brain for once.
Yes, sir.
Wow, sexy mama. Whoa. Camber adjustment. Yup.
Hinge adjustment. Oh, wait.
Cringe.
That's not adjustable.
Wow.
Oh, is there one more? No way.
Bruh.
Those four.
Wow, there's four. Let's see if you get the fourth one. Strip. Wow, what a pro. Aren't you happy that you work on California vehicles?
I am. I sure am. Especially NorCal.
Wow, NorCal. We don't get any snow, huh?
No, we get no bitches either.
Whoa, that's... Hey, speak for yourself, loser. Damn, triple the light of the cell phone, right? Yes, and your light.
Who?
Ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. Damn, who got you that headband?
What's the name of the company?
Oh, Delphi.
Oh, Delphi got me this headband. You guys should go check them out.
15% off, coupon code in the description down below. Anyways.
Quick plug. Anyways, this is how you disassemble this. It's just like a 7th gen, pretty simple. So we're gonna start off with the strut. Make sure to undo this 12 mil right here for the brake line. Next thing you know, you're gonna be doing 19 mils right here on the very top. The strut, it's just these 314s, and this entire assembly comes out. For this, for the brake setup, it's pretty simple. 2 17s on the rear is one on the top right here.
Wait.
Right here.
Got it.
Alright, bottom one right here, 17.
Got it.
And then you rip it out over here and you throw it. Just
And
kidding.
you go yeet?
Yeah. Oh, we got to disconnect the brake line first. Up here is 10 mil flare wrench, you know,
Yes.
classic. Then you go yeet, and then you throw
You
it.
go yeet into the neighbor, and then they call the police on you, and then they say, he is cringe.
You own a Ceika? Get this shit out of my yard.
He's gonna be like, vibrates my walls. Oh, this one's for sure gonna vibrate the neighbor's walls. It's fucking loud.
What's loud?
The car.
Good thing. Never mind. Don't want to reveal any information.
Anyways, yeah, very typical brake job on a 7th gen to
Or
6th
any
gen, same
Celicas.
shit. So we're just disassembling everything, and I'll report back to you guys in a bit. Bunch of tools. Damn, at night though. Wow, gotta prepare for Toyota Fest, huh?
Yep. We'll be back here tomorrow in the morning, you know, doing some
Jeez.
slave work.
Wow. Got a lot going on tomorrow.
Yeah. Interior.
Actually,
body
front
kit.
bumper. I still gotta put the grill, both top and lower grill, fog lights, side markers.
The rest of the body kit, side
The
skirts.
body kit, oof, dude, it's gonna be a different car tomorrow. It's gonna be like,
Is that why it's white? What the fuck?
wow, hella, whoops.
Hella
Viewer
that
discretion
family
is
friendly.
advised. Viewer discretion is advised. I'm Clayton. I want to call it quits for today.
I did?
I'm a wimpy ass biscuit.
Nah, I could go for the rest of the night, fool.
Right.
Yeah, we still gotta put on the what the fuck is that called? The grill on my TRD.
Wow, careful with the paint. Bruh.
So once you get your shitty AutoZone rotors
That
off.
is not AutoZone. I don't even think AutoZone sells drilled rotors.
Oh yeah? Just kidding, I have no idea. I'm gonna grab your little extension with the Torx bit, which is size T27.
27.
Yeah. So
Wow, ripping up the boot. Is that how you take care of your customers' boots?
So what's your name?
Boots and pants and boots and pants and boots and pants.
Cringe. Anyways, you're gonna take your little 1/4 inch setup right here. Put it in. There's 4 Torx bits. 1.
What's the point of that?
3, 4. Get rid of this cringe dust shield because you're going big brake kit. Okay.
BBK?
BBK. BBC. BBK.
What the?
Big brake kit. Do what the hell?
Okay.
Afterwards, you're going to cut it right here.
I
some
suspect he's a little
dikes.
sus.
With some dikes. And then this.
What?
Come on, bro. I'm just trying to.
Family friendly, Clay.
It is family friendly. These are dikes.
Right.
Metal cutters.
Metal cutters. There you go.
So-
There you go. That's the spirit.
You cut this, and then this thing rips right out, and you can install the thing.
Fang.
Exactly.
Fang.
Exactly, man. I'll tell you what.
G-Fang.
G-thing? What the hell?
Ain't nothing but a G. He's gonna go to SoCal and be like, "Where's Pac and Biggie at?"
Pac? Wait, what? Excuse me?
Anyways, it's gonna.
Ooh.
Wow, they're gonna break. They're gonna strip. Strip. Strip.
Oh! No, I'm kidding. It's good.
Are you sure?
Watch, ready?
Wow. Okay, break the other ones. Gotta get it on video. Gotta get you smacking your fingers on the rotor, on the hub. This is great.
This is U-hub?
This is great, man. No, dude. Downwards. I feel like downwards is better. Yeah, there you go.
What the hell?
See if I smack this one.
Excuse me, what's your name? Who?
Hey, sexy lady. It was nice to know you, but I gotta go. Cringe. Nope.
Oh, no.
Nope. Strip.
Alright, we'll leave that one for last.
Damn. The defeated clay bar.
Hell no. Is it T30? Or what's the other setup?
Defeated.
Not defeated. Oh!
Wow. You're gonna scratch up the paint.
This needs to be cut and polished. I'm a pro.
Right. It was T30, huh?
It's definitely T30, but this will not fit because of the angle of everything.
Oh my
Need an extension of these. Yeah, you're gonna probably just... T27 works on the other side, so we're gonna keep going T27. So
Wow, not even the right one.
well, so you guys better supply me better tools.
No, you work with what you have, okay?
What's your name?
Cringe.
Yeah, it is.
Wow, he got one. Okay.
It's 2.
Okay, undefeated. Yeah. 3. Strip.
Fuck.
Strip. Strip. Gotta pull up the angle grinder. Right?
That one. Strip. Dude, look at that.
Oh,
See, you guys give me better tools, maybe.
Angle grinder time. Just take out the other ones that are already out. Strip. 2 and 2.
I got the entire other side though.
2 and 2. No one got it on film. Sorry.
It doesn't exist.
Doesn't exist.
Well, angle grinder.
Gonna wake up my neighbors, all right. All right, it's fine. It's not a. Actually, might piss him off, but I don't care. BC coilover is back on. Don't mind the dangling caliper. I'm gonna go ahead and break it free right here. We already got those torqued down
To the Torx spec OEM.
to the torque spec OEM. You're cool. Anyways, So when I went ahead and mounted the actual bracket, this side is gonna want to go inside like this, and installing it without any shims made the rotor hit the caliper itself. So I already did the other side, and I discovered that it needs to have 4 shims or 4 washers in between the bracket and the hub itself. So 4 washers, that's the sweet point. And make sure to use the provided thread locker that they gave you on these specifically.
On these. Sorry, man.
No one wants to hear you.
Sorry.
You're done.
Sorry,
So
let's leave the channel.
yes, thank you.
Yeah, of course.
So let's go ahead and finish this up because I'm trying to go to sleep. So I went ahead and already installed the bracket. As I was telling you guys, 4 shims are required for the 6th gen. You can see right there. I
Not
used
one.
4. Not 1, not 2,
Not 3.
but 4. 4 loco.
4.
And I already got the bracket mounted. I already went ahead and put some thread locker on the threads. Torqued those down, the back ones. And now I'm gonna go ahead and install the rotor. What? Yeah. What? So on Ceika's installation manual, it clearly says to clean the rotors with soap and water. I don't know why, but they specify if you clean it with brake clean, they are not responsible for any damages or whatever. I don't know why. I'll make sure to put the picture of where it says that on the manual, but I already cleaned it. And so now we're gonna go ahead and mount the bracket or the caliper itself to right here. That's where it goes. And I'm gonna use the provided hardware right here. So I already have the caliper on, torque those down, and I already went ahead and installed the steel brake line. And you can see right here, they're not using the clip, the C-clip that you put in for the stock brake line. They use a 2-nut system. Basically, you want to hold this one right here with a 17mm open end wrench, and then the top one, it's a 19, and you want to start turning it to tighten it, and that's how I guess it stays in place rather than the clip. I actually think this is a better method, but the annoying part is always these brake lines. It's just tedious because if you put them in cross-threaded, you're pretty much effed. But I got it, and I used the flare wrench. Make sure you use a flare wrench, 10mm. Brake line is in, and it's a good thing that they give you this thing right here. It's like a block off so that you can kind of hold off on it for a minute or two. And then we're gonna go ahead and install the bracket. Where is it at? I think it's over here. Oh, where did it go? Oh no! Oh, it's right there. So there's the bracket, and this right here, we're gonna put it like so. And that's why you have this rubber grommet right here. This rubber grommet is gonna fit through the opening right here. I'll show you guys right now in a bit.
Oh my god, he died.
Hey, we're done.
Are we?
No, we still gotta bleed the brakes.
You put on the wheels and lower it and bring it back inside and clean up the tools, and I gotta drive an hour. Did you mention that part?
Did you mention the part that I don't care?
Wait, who?
Who? Got him! Alright, let's bleed the brakes.
Okay guys, we gotta bleed these fancy ass brakes.
This expensive ass brakes. Honestly, guys, it really was expensive. Did the light die? Oh no, it still works. Yeah.
Stupido.
Yeah, so let's leave the brakes because I'm trying to go to sleep. For the whole car, I want to see how low it goes. Hurry up before cars pass by.
Alright guys, ultimate reveal. Here we go.
I mean, I think it's already going to be kind of low.
Are these the extreme lows or like Swift spring setup or what are they?
I just bought whatever was on eBay.
Don't they have like multiple options for BCs though? Like extreme lows and shit?
I just bought whatever was on eBay.
These are fake BCs. These are from, they're made from Chinesians.
They're Wish BCs.
Yeah, they're Wish BCs. There you go.
They're DCs.
There you go. Reveal, reveal, reveal. Oh shit, he broke something.
Oh shit.
Damn. Not bad.
Dude, that's perfect.
That's like perfect in the front. Holy shit.
Perfect fit, dude.
Damn, half a finger in the front.
I need spacers on the rear, dude.
You got hella tucking cam. Oh, sorry, other side.
Here, let me see.
Hella tucking, dude. We gotta be all the way out here instead.
Yeah, I'm not happy.
Tucking front and rear.
It's whatever with the rear, I guess.
Should have more offset research, like I said.
Whatever. Well, I'll buy some new ones later down the road, I guess.
Different types of wheels or what?
Huh?
Different types of wheels?
No, I think I'll just sell those and get the correct offset. I mean, I'm sure there's people out there that have crashed and only have like 2 sets or a pair of wheels.
What you do, like, don't they have like TRD wheels, like raised? Don't they have like T3s or T2s you can use? Tee-hee. Oh, it's garbage, man.
For free, come pick it up. I'm not gonna put it up for sale. Just come pick it
Old
up.
suspension, 7th gen / 6th gen front calipers and brake lines and garbage, and he's for free.
I'll keep it up for a month. If no one replies to me, I'm just gonna take it to the dump. I really don't want to try and sell it because this is junk.
What about this?
Oh, these.
Save them.
Yeah, save them for when we get a car we part out.
All right. Is this gonna be the end of the video?
Yeah, that's it. I'm
Unless you want
tired.
to see me driving off.
No one cares about you, Clay.
Yeah, me neither. I don't care about my car either. Wow, can you guys believe that? I'm leaving the channel for good. Sheesh. No misfire though. No exhaust leaks.
He swears he's cool.
Yeah, I
Still
am.
got a lot to do before Toyota Fest.
I'll be back here early in the morning, 10 or 11. See, tomorrow we're doing body kit. I'm trying to talk for your YouTube channel. Body kit, interior, engine bay, mechanical work.
Front grills and headlight rubber gaskets, and I have something fancy that goes right here from Japan.
The Beat Rush?
Straight from Japan.
The Beat Rush?
You'll have to wait and see tomorrow.
Oh boy, oh boy. Okay guys, other than that, my car, since everyone likes my car, front grille and special if you know is the treatment that we haven't even like revealed that much. So 2 special things coming out tomorrow. Other than that, anything else you want to say?
I'm sleepy.
So we shall see you guys in the morning. Thanks for watching part 1 of Toyota Fest Prep.
Toyota Fest Prep Day 1.
Day 1 for Seabass, Day 3 for Clay. So
What the hell?
adios y'all.